My name is Torija Martinez. I'm an associate professor at the University of Salford in Manchester, UK. My role in the RefMap project is leading research on noise, specifically on drone noise. RefMap is really important because it's the first big, large project dealing with all the aspects involved in the optimization of drone trajectories. For example, specifically for us, it's really important because we can work with colleagues across Europe to understand drone trajectories, to understand positioning, the operating conditions of the drone. And with all that information, we can build models to understand the noise emitted and the noise propagated to the ground, so we can optimize those trajectories to minimize the impact of those drone operations on communities. So what we are doing at Salford is developing models connecting the operating conditions of the drones with human perception. So we are developing models that could predict how an annoying drone operation is going to be in terms of the noise it produces. So we can use that information to get back to the drone and optimize that trajectory. So the drone is, for example, flying at a larger distance, or is flying in a different mode, for example, reducing RPM, rotational per minute of the blades. So we can optimize the operating conditions, the position of the drone, in order to minimize the noise impact on the ground, of people on the ground. As you can imagine, we are publishing our research in leading peer-reviewed journals. We are also contributing with our brief description of our publication in the RefMap website. We are also posting on our social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Every activity we do, for example, any experiment we do, any model we develop, any piece of software, of course, is open access. It's going to be available in GitHub. So we are coordinating all of that through the newsletter in RefMap and through the social media and website. We are really interested in collaborating with people, for example, understanding flight control, or developing with models of flight control, models for drones, for example, because that we can link our research in acoustics, psychoacoustics and neuralization with those flight control models. We are also interested in liaising with key stakeholders, for example, policymakers, decision makers, regulators, because we are hoping our research to contribute to the development of guidelines and policy on drone noise. In terms of getting approach us, our information is in the RefMap website. My personal information, also the information of our group. Again, my email is available in the website. We have our social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. For myself personally, and also our group.